Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you think beds are just a mattress on a frame, think again. Today, we are exploring creative wooden bed ideas that go way beyond the basic platform. Whether you're decorating a tiny studio, designing a luxury master suite, or looking for a fun kids project, wooden beds offer endless possibilities. They're sturdy, warm, and easy to customize, making them the perfect canvas for bold designs. Let's dive into some seriously inspiring ways to turn simple wood into the ultimate sleep sanctuary. Before we get to the showstoppers, let's talk about why wood is such a timeless choice for beds. Durability. A well-built wooden bed can last decades, even generations. Custom style. From rustic reclaimed beams to sleek mid-century designs, wood adapts to any aesthetic. Eco-friendly. Reclaimed lumber or sustainably sourced hardwood reduces environmental impact. With basic tools and some creativity, you can build or modify your own frame to fit any room. Wood isn't just furniture, it is a foundation for both comfort and creativity. Let's start with sleek contemporary looks. Number 1. Floating platform bed. A low wooden platform with recessed legs creates the illusion that bed is hovering above the floor. Add underbed LED lighting for a dramatic futuristic glow. Number 2. Japanese tatami style bed. Inspired by Japanese traditional interior, this bed sits almost flush to the floor with clean lines and natural finishes. Pair it with neutral linen for a zen retreat. Number 3. Hidden storage platform. Build a solid wooden base with deep drawers or lift-up panels to hide blankets, shoes, or seasonal clothing. Perfect for small apartments. If you love a cozy cabin vibe, these ideas bring nature indoors. Number 1. Barnwood frame. Use reclaimed barn beams or weathered planks for a rugged, one-of-a-kind headboard. Each knot and grain pattern tells a story. Number 2. Log cabin bed. Construct the frame from peeled logs or thick branches for a true wood landscape. Add flannel bedding and you have got a mountain lush dream. Number 3. Distressed pallet bed. Sand and seal stack pallets for a budget-friendly yet stylish platform. Finish with warm string lights for a rustic chic look. Sometimes the frame can stay simple while headboard steers the show. Geometric wood panels create a bold pattern with stained triangles or herringbone planks. Live edge slab. Use a single natural edge slab of hardwood for organic drama. Carved artwork. Incorporate laser-cut designs or hand-carved motifs for an artistic focal point. A headboard is like jewelry for your bed. Change it and the whole room transforms. Wooden beds can do more than just hold a mattress. Number 1. Loft bed with workspace. Elevate the bed on a sturdy wooden frame and tuck a desk or reading nook underneath. ideal for students or tiny homes. Number 2. Bookshelf bed. Build shelvings into the headboard or base so your favorite reads are always within arm's reach. Number 3. Daybed trundle. Perfect for guest rooms. A wooden daybed hides an extra mattress below for sleepovers or unexpected visitors. Beds for kids can be both fun and functional. Treehouse loft. Construct a small wooden house with railings and a ladder. Instant bedtime adventure. Bunk beds with storage stairs. Replace ladders with wooden stairs that doubles as drawers. Convertible crib to bed. Build a crib that converts to a toddler bed, then to a twin frame, growing with your child. These designs add excitement while keeping durability and safety in mind. The finishing details make all the difference. Enhance wood grain while keeping a warm organic look with natural oils and stains. Deep navy, forest green, or matte black create instant drama. Add brass corners, leather straps, or black steel accents for an industrial edge. Pair with wooden frames with layered bedding, linen, wool, or cotton for contrast and comfort. And there you have it, wooden bed ideas ranging from sleek modern platforms to rustic log frames, playful kid builds, and multifunctional masterpieces. So until next time, happy decorating!